Hey, it's Alex, the founder and CEO of Motoroso.com, your dedicated auto parts marketplace. Today we're in the studio and we're going to take a close-up look at the Westin HDX stainless steel Nerf bars with drop steps. These are part number 56-139452 and they fit the 2015 to present Ford F-150s SuperCrew and a couple of the F-250 and 350s. Make sure you check the fitment data to make sure they're compatible. Now these are going to set you back about $650 and they're of course available on Motoroso.com where you can browse over 1 million top name brand products sold by trusted vendors at great prices, and the shipping is always free with no minimum. Let's get started. No modified truck is complete without aftermarket running boards, and there are thousands of options out there. But here's 3 reasons we really like the HDX stainless bars. First, and perhaps most important, is the quality of construction that Westin uses when making this bar. They use a high-grade 410 stainless steel, which is very strong, and it's an all single-piece design with no visible welds that gives it high structural integrity, but also gives it that nice, clean, angular look. They coat the whole thing with a textured powder coat finish, which is going to be really durable, right on down to the HDX badge, which is made out of machined aluminum and riveted on so it won't crack, break, or fade and fall off like a cheap plastic badge. So Westin knows the quality is high and they back it up with a 3-year warranty. The next thing we really like is the step design on these HDX bars. This is essentially a low-profile step bar. A lot of step bars have a step that hangs down 3, 4, 5 inches from the bar itself. In this case, the HDX step hangs down 2 inches from the bar, making it low profile, keeping a sleek look for the truck, and also making sure to preserve your ground clearance, which is important if you're doing any sort of off-roading. They have a 16-inch step at the front and an 11-inch step at the rear, which helps match the proportion of the doors better. And lastly, they use a stainless steel die-stamped plate for traction, and it's also removable so you can pull it off and clean it, and it's rust-proof so you never have to worry about it deteriorating. And lastly, we just love how easy to install this Westin product is. Westin engineers really think through the way that their brackets mount up and make it very, very simple to install very, very quickly. And of course, we'll be doing an installation video for you so you can see how these install onto our F-150. And we'll put a link to that in the description, or you can search it on our channel. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for all of our other videos as well. So that wraps up our close-up look at the HDX stainless steel bars from Westin. The part number is 56-139452. Again, they're gonna set you back about $650, and you can shop for these and over 1 million other top name brand products sold by trusted vendors at great prices, and our shipping is always free with no minimum at the Motoroso marketplace. Thanks for watching.